Hey, what's up guys? Today we're here going to be doing an exhaust. This is the one I got. I have already installed it once, but I took it off in the meantime because I took it back to get it serviced. So it's actually really easy. So let me go ahead and set you guys up. So first you want to remove the shield. First thing. Remove this, and then there's a clamp on here. This one right there. And then, I don't know if you guys can see that little piece right there. That just slides down that way. And yeah, I just gotta wait a little because I just brought it back from the dealership. So it might be really hot. I'll get back to you guys, but yeah. Just remove that. And then I'm gonna use this thing, Phillips, to remove the little clamp at the bottom. And then this should just be really hot for me. Make sure you let your bike cool down. There's that. Right here. Still recording. Then you gotta remove this one and this one. For those, I'm using this little set. These are all pretty much Harbor Freight tools. You don't need anything fancy to really be taking the exhaust off. Okay, so you're gonna take this one off. So let me show you. You gotta hold it on the other end in order for it to come off. That one was a 10. This is a 12. This one you just, oh god, the thing's hot. Just loosen it. Just enough. Now to grab this thing off, I'm gonna have to get some gloves. It's gonna be hot for me. It's my boy Dewey. So, okay, there you go. That comes out. Now let me see. Doing this with one hand. See if I can put you guys up right there. I'm not sure if you guys can see. Pull it out. Here we go. So you just throw it back on, throw this bolt back on. Now this one, if I'm not mistaken, this one goes in front. The other one went behind, the old one. The little freaking hanger thing, whatever, went back here. This one goes in front, if I'm not mistaken. Then you put your little clamp on. Be careful with these though, as I already went through 2 of them. So yeah, and then I got an exhaust leak. I don't know if there's a way to fix that. If I find out a way to fix it, then I'll make another video about it. But yeah, let me go ahead and get to that. Here's the before. know what it's called. I don't know what it's called. But you can remove that and it'll be louder. I'm gonna keep it on. And yeah, pretty much it. If you guys have any questions, let me know down in the comments below. Make sure you guys subscribe, and then I'll bring a lot more Ninja 400 content. Thanks for watching.